Biography of Mamata Banerjee. Mamata Banerjee is one of India's most influential female leaders, often referred to as the Iron Lady of Bengal. Her life stands as a symbol of struggle, resilience, and a relentless battle within the realm of politics. Early life and education. Mamata Banerjee was born on January 5, 1955, in Kolkata. Her father, Promileshwar Banerjee, was a freedom fighter. Her father passed away during her childhood, leaving the family in a precarious financial situation. Mamata pursued her education under difficult circumstances, yet she never gave up. She completed a bachelor's degree in history, a master's degree in Islamic history, a B.Ed, and an L.B. law. It was during this period that a passion to do something for society was ignited within her. Entry into politics. Mamata Banerjee began her political journey with the Indian National Congress. She started her career in student politics during the 1970s. In 1984, she won her first Lok Sabha election. At that time, she became one of the youngest members of parliament, MPs. Gradually, she emerged as an assertive and grassroots level leader. 3. Establishment of the Trinamool Congress. In 1997, Mamata Banerjee parted ways with the Congress party and founded her own political outfit, the All India Trinamool Congress. Its primary objective was to challenge the Left Front government in Bengal. Struggle and rise. The Left Front government had ruled West Bengal for nearly 34 years. However, Mamata Banerjee waged a continuous struggle, organizing street protests and movements fighting for the rights of farmers and the poor, leading the Singur and Nandigram movements against land acquisition. These movements solidified her position as a strong leader in the eyes of the masses. The journey to becoming Chief Minister. In 2011, Mamata Banerjee achieved a historic victory and became the first female Chief Minister of West Bengal. Subsequently, she won the elections in 2016 and 2021 as well, thereby retaining power continuously. Political style and image. Mamata Banerjee's identity, **** simplicity, white sari, slippers, aggressive speech style. Grassroots leader. She projects herself as Didi, sister, thereby establishing a direct connection with the masses. Key schemes and initiatives. *** As Chief Minister, she launched several schemes. Kanyashri scheme, for girls' education; Sabuj Sathi, bicycles for students; Swasthya Sathi, health insurance. These schemes made her popular among the poor and women segments of society. The 2021 election and challenges. In 2021, she fought a fierce battle against the BJP. However, she herself lost the Nandigram seat, but her party secured a majority victory. This demonstrates that, despite a personal defeat, her political hold remained strong. The 2026 election, the ultimate political battle, a historic defeat. **** The 2026 election is being regarded as the biggest setback in Mamata Banerjee's political career. The BJP recorded a massive victory in West Bengal for the first time. Her party's seat tally dropped significantly. Mamata Banerjee herself lost her own seat. This marked a major shift in Bengal's politics. Reasons for the defeat. **** According to analyses, several factors emerged. Fragmentation of the vote bank, splitting of minority votes, the BJP's strong organizational structure, expansion at the grassroots level, anti-incumbency, due to a prolonged tenure in power. The public's desire for change, allegations of corruption, damage to public image, ***, controversy following the election results, ***, after the defeat. Mamata Banerjee questioned the election results. She alleged tampering with the EVMs. She termed the election a fixed match. She claimed that approximately 100 seats were snatched away. Refusal to resign despite the defeat. She refused to immediately resign from the post of chief minister. She stated that she had achieved a moral victory. The opposition termed this an insult to democracy. A shift in Bengal's politics following the 2026 elections, the BJP came to power for the first time. The TMC's 15-year rule came to an end. This is being regarded as the biggest turning point in Bengal's political history. Current status and future prospects however, despite the defeat, Mamata Banerjee has not faded from the political landscape. She can still emerge as a strong opposition leader. She commands a massive public mandate. She is actively striving to make a comeback. She possesses the image of a fighter, someone who does not give up easily. Personality and traits key characteristics of Mamata Banerjee. An extremely simple lifestyle, a tenacious and fighting spirit, emotionally charged speeches, a direct connection with the masses. She often portrays herself as the voice of the poor. Conclusion: Mamata Banerjee's life is an inspiring saga. Rising from poverty to become chief minister, struggling for decades, carving out a distinct identity for herself in politics. However, the 2026 elections demonstrated that nothing in politics is permanent. Her defeat also serves as a lesson that the public mood can shift at any moment. Even strong leaders face challenges. Nevertheless, Mamata Banerjee's struggle is far from over. Mamata Banerjee is a leader who achieved success through struggle, held power for a long time, and is now facing the greatest political crisis of her career.